Okay, this little street is called Travessa de Boa Vista. We're gonna go down it, and there's a firecrackers museum, and we're gonna go down that way a little bit. But we're gonna start out the name of this one with this particular one. And also, before I even go down, I'm just gonna show you that we can see some casinos over here. There's a park up here and a church over here too. So we're probably gonna just let you view some of that, and then we're gonna go down to this little street. And there's some nice artwork that you're gonna see when you go down it. And there's more artwork down that way too. Okay, so this is Travessa de Boa Vista, Good View Lane. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, before we even go down, we are in a park. That's the incline up there, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight some of the stuff around here a little bit. So I think we're going to start this way first. Then way in the distance you can see Galaxy Casino, because the casinos are not too far away. And then down that hill leads to Taipa Village. So basically Taipa Village is to the right, Cotai Casinos is to the left. And that'll be more apparent later. And then you have this these little lanes that go down that way, so we're going to go down a different lane. This one also would be a nice one to film as well, but I like this one in the daytime when there's a ton of people taking photographs around it, because it is a beautiful space. Way in the distance is Galaxy Casino. That's Raffles Hotel. The distance, this is Carmo. This is a beautiful church right here. So so basically this is going to be the casino side on that side, and then this is all Taipa Village and Taipa Centro, which we're going to see more of in a minute. And we also have this nice beautiful building as well. And then this particular building, we're going to get two views of that, because we're going to go down our special street right there. But actually, just so you can kind of see, there's like a little bit of a courtyard right in there as well. Okay. Yeah, it's a really beautiful church. Okay. These are basically for the tourists to kind of direct them to where they want to go. And down that way is Taipa houses. The nice beautiful green one. I could actually film anywhere around here. It's pretty beautiful. Like, this is a beautiful place to walk down. You view the ecological garden. And you can also see the casinos like Londoner down there. Some hotels, Conrad Hotel, Countdown, City of Dreams, Phoenician, Galaxy is way in the distance. We got our beautiful church right there. We have this beautiful building as well. And then up that way is this incline. So that one up there, if I go all the way down that way, I can go across and go up, and I can have some beautiful views up at the top there. All right, so now we're gonna go to the beautiful view lane, Travessa de Boa Vista. Pretty cool. And it doesn't look like much at the moment. It looks like the other stairwell would be a better one, but when I turn the camera around, it'll have a different feeling to it. This is the bathroom right here. Actually, I haven't really filmed inside this courtyard before. But yeah, this is so that's another courtyard. That's the other street right there, right? And then this kind of looks abandoned, but it looks like there's like benches right out here, and then it goes into a private property. So in a minute you're gonna start seeing some kind of cool stuff. So let's go down a little bit, and then we'll turn the camera around and you can see it more clearly what I mean. Okay, so you can kind of see it now. You can see this right here, and then from downstairs it looked like some beautiful buildings. So some nice artwork. Let's go down a little bit further and we'll show you again. Okay. So now you can see it better, right? So now, and then when we go down the street further, it'll even have a different angle to it. So it still kind of looks more like it doesn't look as interesting as it does when you get down to that street down there. But we will go down there and turn the camera around again when we get down that way. Then you can see exactly how beautiful that, how cool it looks. So now you can see it better, right? So now you can kind of see, so from a distance, that has more of a beautiful view. The blue, orange, pink, and then the blue again. Rooftop. So we're gonna walk down. So this is all Travessa de Boa Vista. Over there is a firecrackers factory. That's a beautiful building right there. And that's our target street right there. We're just gonna walk down a little bit. And then we have the firecrackers museum. Firecrackers, it's like a historic museum. Let me kind of walk on this side. It's kind of cool. And the museum is to the left, so we're gonna try to go back across there in a second. Let's head on down that way. Hello. So this is a firecrackers museum down here, so we can walk into this a little bit if we want to. But I think it's going to close pretty soon, so let me see. 7 p.m. And I'm not going to highlight it, but I'm not going to go through it because I have before. But there's a lot of these old buildings here, and they'll also tell them, you know, say what was in them as well. But yeah, this was all abandoned for, I forget, 30 years or something like that. It says a little bit on the sign, but we're gonna walk back out. I also want a Memento Babadilla. Somebody was telling me about that. Oh, there goes a white cat. It's gonna go into the old house. So, but anyways, they're talking about it in some of these signs. I'm gonna head back out actually. I kind of wanted to highlight that Memento because some friends are going to there sometimes now. They're telling me there's like an all-you-could-drink 2-hour special. So maybe we'll just take a look at the sign real quick. I think there's also a rooftop up there as well. So basically our focus street was that one. This is kind of a main tourist drag. And then this one is Memento Babadilla. Let me just see here. So you got some specials. Buy 6 3 mini basket pizza. So yeah. So one of these times I'll have to come up here and check it all out. Okay, so let me let's keep on going down. That's Taipa Centro down that way as well. That's the Firecrackers Museum. Also want to check this out real quick. Actually, this looks kind of cool because this was that street that we were kind of looking at a little bit. So I think what I'm going to do in this one is I'm going to head back here. And then this will end that street. It's kind of a nice context right there too. With Travessa de Boa Vista. So we're able to get a little context of different stuff that's all around here as well. Here we go. Travessa de Boa Vista, baby. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.